Feel the passion and the strength of our region. For it is here in Kirikiriroa where our kaitiaki runs deep, our mana inspires, and unforgettable discoveries are just around the bend. A welcoming place where our people keep it real and the experiences become unreal. Welcome to Kirikiriroa and the mighty Waikato. It's all yours to discover.
Kia ora, welcome to Hamilton Zoo here in beautiful Kirikiriroa.
Welcome to Good George Brewing.
Welcome to Hamilton Eyesight.
It's a privilege to be an ambassador and have the opportunity to share the great stories about Hamilton.
Being an ambassador is about being passionate about what we do and sharing that passion with others.
It doesn't matter about your age or what you do, we can all be great ambassadors for the region.
It's a privilege to tell our stories of this magical place we call home.
It's the people that make the biggest difference to the visitor experience.
So many great stories to tell and delivering the very best friendly service we can.
And remember, you know this area the best. People want to hear your personal experiences, what you're passionate about. That is what being an ambassador is all about.
It's bigger than one person. We're all in this together.
Join us on our journey and become an ambassador for Kirikiriroa Hamilton.